Hello! Today we're going to be doing a very special unboxing for two reasons. First off, this is the first unboxing that I'm doing in my new place. And second of all, this is the first unboxing of a non-plant related sort of thing that I'm doing on my channel. So, I've been wanting to get an animal or a pet since I moved out, and I was looking a lot at getting some fish because I feel like, if I got fish, I could, use the, I'll be right back. So like I was saying, I was going to get fish, but fish are kind of a lot of work for something that you can't even really hold. Like, you have to worry about the pH, the ammonia, all this other stuff, and it's like 10 to 20 gallons of water just sitting in your room that sometimes smells. So I started looking at lizards or reptiles, and I was originally looking at getting a bearded dragon because this girl I knew in high school actually had one, and I was able to sort of handle it back then. And they're very like chill reptiles. They don't really bite. They're not like super hissy or anything. But they do get kind of big, and they like to have a lot of like climbing space. So, and they need like UVB or something like that, which is a lot of extra work. Then I figured out, or I started getting recommended videos about Western hognose snakes. Now these are snakes that are native to parts of the US, the Midwest and the East. And they're very good beginner reptiles for people to get. And they look really cute. So I went on this site called Morph Market, MORPH Market, and I found myself a cute little albino hognose snake. And so I got it, and now we're gonna see him. I'm very excited. So this is the business that I got the snake from. It's called 7Snakes, and this is in Bakersfield. And I'm not going to handle him today or on this video right here. I just wanted to get him out of the box so he could see some light and start getting acclimated to the room temperature before I put him in his enclosure that I have ready. But yes, he's a baby. Oh my god, there he is. Oh, he's a cutie. Oh, the baby, look at him. Isn't he a cutie? So this is a red, hold on, let me get the exacts on him. So this is a red albino het Axanthic hognose snake. You can see he's a baby, look at him, and he's orange, which is my favorite color. So yeah, this is him. Look at him, he's so cute. Babies. So yeah, this is my little baby. I haven't figured out a name for him. I mean, I have several in mind, but I haven't settled on a name for him, so you're gonna have to find that out later. But look at him, he's a little cutie, and his little nose and his tongue. Anyways, thanks for watching this non-plant unboxing, but this is mostly orchids, so it is going to be mostly orchids, but other things as well. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.